The first formula that we discuss is the sum formula. The sum formula in Excel is used to sum up value up to a certain range. With sum formula, we will provide a range of cells for which we want to sum. Or in some formula, we can provide some numbers like if you want to add 10 or 20 or some other numbers, it's separated p like with comma, like we do here. So instead of providing hard-coded numbers, we can provide a range of cell, just we provide here by pressing Control Shift down arrow and select all the range, and that's it. The sum formula will give us the sum of this range. So this is pretty useful if you want to sum. The second formula is the average formula. It is like the same as the sum formula, but instead of sum, it will provide the average value of a range which we provide. Say we provide the unit and the average of unit we want to find. So this will give us the average value of the units that we have in that particular column. So that is very useful if you have to calculate averages. Next up, we have the if formula. The if formula is used conditional based answering. Let's say we have this data of student marks and we want to add a column of results which will be provide the condition like if a marks is greater than 45, so it will print pass. So we will provide the marks column reference, and if that value is greater than 40, so if greater than 40 we will print pass. Otherwise, if the condition fails, if less than 40, so we will print fail. Now if we press enter, it will print pass. As because for 85 is greater than 40. So let's see. Here is the value is pass because the 85 is greater than pass. As you can see that all the values are, we can drag it and we can highlight. Next formula is the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula is used to find a value in a table by some reference a value from a different sheet. So in this we provide three values. The first is a VLOOKUP value on the basis of which you want to look up value. The second is the table error. We will provide a table range in which we want to look up value. Then we provide the column number in which we want to get the value, or we can say the result value. So we will provide the column number, and at last we will provide exact match or true or false. So we will provide the exact match, and gets we will get the result from another sheet. So that is the benefit of using VLOOKUP. So which is the most powerful Excel function which will be used in different scenarios. Another formula is the XLOOKUP formula, which is the ultimate upgrade to VLOOKUP. It will find the value in a direction from left to right, right to left, up to down, with very simple symbols. Here we have to get the student name from the different file, different sheet. So we will provide the lookup value and then that lookup value range and the column which we want the values, and we will get the result. So it is a bit simpler than the VLOOKUP and most powerful than VLOOKUP. It's like the upgraded version of VLOOKUP. So you can use it for your daily life purpose.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in next video. Subscribe. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in next video.